Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn how to crochet granny in rows. In my previous videos I will show you how to crochet a solid granny square. It's a bit different, but now I will show you how to make it in rows. I will make a slipknot chain 19. Now I will go into the 5th stitch from the hook and work 3 double crochets together. 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 3 complete double crochets, not unfinished. As you know, in granny squares we work 3 double crochets in a group. So without making any chain, I will just skip 2 stitches. Into this third one I will work again 3 double crochets. It's very easy. You will repeat this row 1 and 2 again and again. Skip 2 stitches. Into the third one work 3 double crochets in the same stitch. If you haven't subscribed my channel Crochet Skills, please subscribe it. Don't forget to click the bell. Please like and share my videos. For any queries you can ask me in comment section. Your feedback is very valuable for us. I hope you can easily understand the pattern. This is the best pattern for beginners. They can try it on making blanket. Okay, my last granny stitch. Okay, now as you can see I have only 2 stitches left, so I will skip just one and work 1 double crochet at the end. Now make chain 3, that will be counted as a first double crochet. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the first group of 3 double crochets. In between these 2 grannies I will work 3 double crochets. Skip this. In between the next 2 work 3 double crochets. I named these 3 double crochets as granny. So as you can see how I am working, I am not increasing any stitch. There is no chain stitches in between the spaces. So this is the second row. We will repeat this row 1 and 2 again and again till the end. So as you can see how I am working, and if you have any query, if you can't understand my pattern, you can ask me in comment. Okay, now into this last single crochet, that was chain 3 and counted as the first double crochet, we will work 2 double crochets this time. Chain 3 to begin the third row. This is here we will repeat this first row. So chain 3 and we will not double crochet in the same stitch. We will just jump into this next space here and work 3 double crochets. Jump into the next granny and work 3 double crochets. So this is how I will work till the end of this row, and this is how we will repeat row 1 and 2, and I will work again and again these 2 as my required length. This is a very easy for beginners. So for their practice and for their projects initially, they can use this stitch. It's very easy and it looks also very beautiful. For practicing double crochet, it's the best part. So as you can see how I am working, please do not increase stitches. Just remember that you need to work in the order of these row 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in the last double crochet. Chain 3, that is counted as the first double crochet. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We will repeat row 2 now, and this is how I will repeat it again and again. I hope you are understanding my tutorial. Thank you so much. Okay, this is how it will look. So I will show you with some more rows. My project is completed. This is how it will look. I hope you can understand it. Thank you for